Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our low block. Say low block, sir.
Low block, sir.
Good. In Korean, Ha Dan Mahk Ki.
Ha Dan Mahk Ki.
One more time. Ha Dan Mahk Ki.
Ha Dan Mahk Ki. Sir.
Excellent. Let's start with our load. Say load.
Load, sir.
Good. The top hand is going to come to the neck like this. The bottom hand is going to wrap like this. The arms are parallel. The top hand will be doing the block. The bottom hand will be chambering. So he's going to wiggle that top hand. He's going to step out with his left foot sideways, and he's going to twist to bring down that block. See how that chambers, and this comes to the outside of the leg, not over. The thumb on the outside. Very good. And this is blocking low kicks or also just opening up the body to attack the middle. Good, let's do the opposite hand. Load, step, twist, and bring it down. Excellent. And now once more from the side with a target. Ready, load, step, twist, bring it down. Good, and reset. And that is our low block or Ha Dan Mahk Ki. Practice what you learned, make it rock.